just ridiculous, isn't it? That's just... what the hell? There isn't anything like it.
That's a flash flood.
That is actually like really deep.
Just thinking about, you got home, what, half an hour before me?
Yeah, and I was about to go take Annika for a bike ride down here.
All that rain comes, look how quickly it happens. It's like what they were saying up in Brisbane,